Hello preschoolers, I'm Miss Karina. Today we're going to be learning reading by recognizing what the letter C sounds like while reading a short story. Do you guys know what the letter C sounds like? Well, today we're going to be learning that. So while I'm reading Cabby Calls a Cab by Alyssa Lang, make sure that you're paying attention because I'll be asking some questions. This is Cabby. Cabby is a cat. So when we hear Cabby and cat, the letter C says K. It sounds like K. Cabby is a cute cat. So on this page, what are the three words that have a K noise? Correct. It's K, cabby, K, cute, K, cat. Cabby calls a cab. The cab driver wears a cap. So on this page, what two words make the K noise? Good. Cab and cap. The cop stops the cab. Okay, preschoolers, nice job. So, after reading the story, what do you think the letter C sounds like? Good. After reading the story, you should know and learn the letter C has a K, K noise. So when you say cat, it has a K, K noise. So cat. I hope you have a great day, preschoolers.